Garden Scrolls featured plant of the day is the Oriental Poppy. They are so beautiful. I grew this one in my what I call my seed box because it's just a little raised bed, but it gives me a place where I can put my seeds to start them and keep an eye on them so they don't just get lost in the garden. But these plants they are so beautiful. They are like a cross between a crepe paper and the big waxy looking parrot tulips that bloom in the early spring. And these do bloom a little later in the spring, and just I think you'll be very pleased to have one in your garden. They are perennial and just a great beauty and an asset to the garden. I hope I can get to where I can grow many of these in my garden.